Ladies and gentlemen, the Manavi.
Hey. 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 Whoa! Hey.
Hey, what happened to your face?
I fell while getting dressed.
No, not that. Did you just draw that? Your mustache.
What? I have a mustache?
No, here, let me show you. Follow me.
You making fun of me?
No, you don't understand. Where are we? How did we get here?
Hey, your mustache is gone.
Is it? You hear that music?
Well, yeah, I hear it all the time.
Why don't I always hear it?
Maybe it's your hat.
It is a hat. Wait, what's that flyer say?
Need answers, follow the flyers?
What flyers?
Those flyers. Follow me.
You making fun of me?
No, you don't understand. Why did that just happen again?
Wait, where are you going?
Figure this out!
I let her know little by little the way to the truth. At first just the guitar, but now the lyrics too. Every action that he ever took was written by me in my notebook. He followed my flyers. People and scenes he twice meets, cousin songs the chorus repeats. He doesn't know he's in my head.
What?
The thing is, this is a song about a guy who doesn't know he's not real.
I'm not part of this song, it's a dream!
If he was here, he would say it's all a dream, but you meant you wouldn't feel. Jacking back to the chorus, he's taking off his shoes. He knows what's ahead, but there's nothing he can do. Follow me, she says, walking past a mirror on the floor. A man jumps out at them, dressed up like a matador. You're making fun of me, no you don't understand. He slaps not once but twice, takes off his hat and throws it in the sand.
So did you know?
Yeah, I figured.
How long are we gonna be here?
I guess just till the song.
I can live with that. Thanks for helping me out.
Thanks for being my friend.
Thank you. This next song is called The End.